Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Vanguard token. Now the Vanguard token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 13th. We're going to go over the information on the Vanguard coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Vanguard token, also known as the Vguard token, is bridging the traditional world of finance with the future of blockchain. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 13th at 15 hours UTC time on a central exchange called Bitmart. So if you're looking to buy the Vguard coin, all you would have to do is download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Vanguard, and then simply just buy the token. So Bitmart, December 13th, 15 hours UTC time. So Vguard is a themed meme coin designed to offer the benefits that other meme coins don't give its community. It offers blockchain gaming and entertaining NFTs based on the Binance Smart Chain, developing a decentralized community and ecosystem. The only meme token capable to blow its competition away and walk all over them. Vguard is more than just a token. It's a movement driven by new memes in the crypto space. This community-driven token focuses on making rags to riches, transforming past mistakes into future gains. Vguard embodies the true spirit of meme resilience and laughter. We're here to prove that laughter can indeed make you rich, unlike other memes. Embrace the FOMO and turn your old losses into profits with Vguard. So Vguard aims to be the #1 community token, allowing degens to rely and invest freely. The ultimate goal is to soak up the liquidity from all of its meme token competitors. Our vision is to create a vibrant and captivating blockchain and gaming community where players can experience the excitement and thrill of decentralized gaming while also enjoying the benefits of true ownership and control over their assets. Our mission is to utilize Web3 technology to create entertaining and highly engaging applications and push the boundaries of traditional gaming and the metaverse. So the name of the token, it says, is Vguard. There's going to be NFTs, governance, so basically decentralized autonomous organization enabling you voting rights, blockchain community, and DeFi. So the benefits to long-term holders in gaming, NFTs, buy and hold Vguard tokens and trade NFTs on OpenSea. Play the game to earn tokens and buy NFTs to earn more tokens. There's going to be multiple reward systems for the holders. So Vguard focuses on its utility as this is a community project, strong emphasis on monetization of the project through NFTs, rewards, and play to earn, and token value enhancement. NFTs are integrated into the company's gaming platform, and players will be able to participate and compete for the prize pool. Exclusive benefits for NFT holders in terms of staking rewards, land acquisition, discounts, or trade taxes. So token holders will be able to directly participate in governance in the following ways. So tax fee percentages and allocations, grants and rewards, token distribution and allocation. So how the token is split up. We got 5% of the tokens being reserved to airdrop for holders, rewards basically. 15% of the total tokens will be dedicated to staking, allowing token holders to earn rewards by holding and staking them. 14% of the tokens will be focused on the gaming industry, which will be a key focus for Vguard. Vguard tokens will be used to incentivize and engage within the gaming community and drive the growth of the platform. 42% of the total tokens will be reserved for sale across different platforms. 10% of the total tokens will be used to finance the ongoing development and maintenance of the ecosystem, as well as any necessary research and development. 10% of the total tokens will be allocated to marketing efforts to promote the adoption and engagement of the ecosystem. And lastly, 4% of the total tokens will be reserved for the team to align their interests with those of the community and incentivize the continuation of efforts to build and improve upon the platform. So according to the roadmaps, phase 1 is going to be token launch, website launch, BSC scan verification, and Bitmart launch. So it looks like that's kind of where we're at right now. Binance Smart Chain token just about to be listed on Bitmart tomorrow. Liquidity locking, social buzz, 1,000 holders. Listing on first centralized exchange. Well, the Bitmart would be the first one, so I guess second centralized exchange. And then NFT launch. Stage 2 of the roadmap, more central exchange listings, adding liquidity, more holders, more members of their community, strategic partnerships, bigger market cap, and airdrops. And lastly, stage 3, more exchange listings. That's when governance will come out as well. More holders, more market cap, more members, and then apps launch. Now, they tell you step by step how to buy this token off of Bitmart on their white paper in case you don't know how to use Bitmart. And yeah, that is on page 8 of their white paper. You can find their white paper on their webpage, vg-coin.net. As always, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there. You can find it at Vanguard_coin. And on their Twitter there, you can find a link to their webpage, which will take you to the white paper and take you to directions how to get this token off Bitmart. And you can find in their one of their newest tweets here, their new Bitmart listing announcement. So you can find all the information basically on that Twitter there by just clicking links. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.